Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is summer and I don't know where on earth you are watching this right now, but Jamaica is extremely hot. So I'm gonna be making some melon, ginger, and lime juice. So here I have a large lime, I have my watermelons, about a half a melon, and I have my ginger. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my melon. You don't have to be too particular about the seeds because they're not that type of fruit where if you blend them, the seeds will make it bitter. So I just blended mine and I kept my seeds in there. So what you're seeing me do here is actually cut away from the green part, and then I'm going to cut them into small cubes. After I'm done cutting them up, I'm going to go ahead and put them into my trusty blender. Guys, I have had this blender for over 4 years and it only cost me $17. It's by Oster and it has lasted me a pretty good time. It's not damaged, as you can see, and it's really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and just fill my blender up with that juicy watermelon. I'm going to go ahead and add my lime juice and then my ginger. So I know that there are different types of limes of different sizes, but the tree that I have here in Jamaica, they give me some pretty large limes, guys, as you can see. Actually, I'm gonna drop a picture of one of the largest limes that I saw on my tree the other day. I'm gonna put it at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. It's way bigger than this, guys. It's like the size of an orange. But anyway, the seeds of this lime, you really don't want to get those into the juice. Those will make your juice so bitter. So you want to get like a strainer and then strain your lime juice over. Then I have about, an inch of ginger. I actually have 1.5 inches in this video because I wasn't really feeling well, so I just added my ginger. But you guys can only use 1 inch. You don't have to use so much. This is how my blender is looking, guys. So I'm gonna blend this until it's smooth. There's nothing left, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just strain like the puree of the fruit that was left behind. Okay, so for this step, you can get 2 things. You can get a jug or you can get a large bowl. The reason for this is that you want to be able to put the strainer over whatever container you're using because the strainer can be pretty wide and you don't want to have any accidents. So I'm just going to take my spoon and kind of move it along the bottom of the strainer to constantly clear the holes so that the juices can go through and the purees stay on top. So guys, a drink like this, you really want to serve it chilled, right? So I'm going to be filling up my juice bottles that I got on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box below, and I'm going to put these in the refrigerator and have it ice cold. So these are my bottles that I use for juicing. They're like some tall glass bottles. They're super convenient to fit in your fridge and they are aesthetically pleasing. So I got about 2.5 bottles of this, so you guys will see the full size of the bottle soon. That's a lot of juice, guys, trust me. If you want a stronger melon flavor, you can always use less water, more melon, but it was just right for me. I also added like 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar as well. I'm trying to cut down on my sugar, but if you prefer your juice to be a lot more sweet, you can go ahead and add some more sugar, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. If you made this, let me know. I know it's extremely hot all around and this drink is very, very refreshing. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.